In this video, I am going to show you how you can integrate Stripe into your GoHighLevel sub-accounts. So at the end of this video, you will know the full integration process for Stripe to GoHighLevel. Okay, the first step that you need to do is go to your agency view and go to the app marketplace. Once you're inside the app marketplace, search for CRM Connector. Okay, this is the tool that we're going to use to integrate Stripe with our GoHighLevel account. CRM Connector is a tool specifically made for GoHighLevel, and it basically adds like 30 plus native integrations to your GoHighLevel account. So right now I'm going to install it to my GoHighLevel account. So I just installed the tool, and at the bottom left it will appear at your agency view. You need to click CRM Connector, and this is what you will see. Here we'll see the integration library, and here you will see all your installed sub-accounts, and here you will see all the support. You can also request new integrations completely free of charge, but for now I'm going to show you how you can integrate Stripe. So I'm going to integrate Stripe with this sub-account, so I'm going to go right now to that sub-account. So currently I'm inside of the sub-account that I would like to integrate with Stripe. As you can see, this sub-account currently doesn't have any contacts. And at the bottom left, CRM Connector is installed. So here you or your client can integrate Stripe. Just search for Stripe in this list and select Stripe and select a date filter and select the contact data that you would like to get synced. And then fill out your API key. So I'm going to do that right now. I've just completed the integration form and I clicked establish secure connection. So basically what it does, it will get all of the contact data from my Stripe account and will upload it to this GoHighLevel sub account. And every 4 hours, CRM Connector will look for new contact data inside of the Stripe account. So it's fully automated and really scalable. So that's how the tool works. So right now I'm going to wait until the integration process is done, and then I will show you the results. So as you can see, the connection is successfully established. And when I go back to contacts, you will see all of the contact data from my Stripe account, and they have also been tagged on their status inside my Stripe account. So this is all, they have all been tagged on their invoice history. So if they ever pay the invoice, they're considered a customer. And when I click on a contact, they also have a last search date right here. So this is the date that they purchased via Stripe. So basically that's it. That's how the tool works and how you can integrate Stripe to your GoHighLevel account. It's how you integrate Stripe to your GoHighLevel account. It's really easy, really user-friendly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I will try to answer all of them. And that's it. Thank you for watching.